the cord. Just push it on. Just show there, 230. So it's going up 310. That's where I set it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's get on here. Let's check over here. Let's see if that little get a little IC out there. I should actually have these goggles on here. Oh, let me change goggles here. Change goggles and lenses. Just hang on. Change goggles and lenses. Right. Okay, it's not bad. Can you show my face? See? See, I've got this on. Oh, no, I've got this on. And this. Alright, let's see. Right, let's see. It's on, it's blowing. So this is a scrap DVD player. No, I think it needs hotter. $380. I'll have to go and learn all this.
That's your first time.
Huh? Hey, moved it.
No, it's off.
Came loose, came off. So there's, where's the camera lens? There?
That was quick, ne?
Yeah, it's very quick. Let's take another one off here. Let's take something else off here.
But that transistor.
A little transistor here.
Yeah.
Oh no, it broke.
Transistor broke.
No, not yeah. It's the whole thing. Yeah, multiple pieces. What the hell is that? Any case. That's off. What else can we try? We don't want to take. What else, Rich? Big RC there. It's actually put a bigger one on.
No, take this one out.
Yeah, that's easy. It's a very small one.
There's a tap at the back as well.
Here's it's loose. Okay, right. Let's just yeah, maybe we should put in a bigger nozzle. Okay, can you stop here?
As I stop it.
Yeah.